Prior to beginning with Matic cost expectation, let us first know more about Polygon. It is an ideal blockchain stage that gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges disposing of the intricacies engaged with the decentralized biological system. Matic has been made with the sole goal of a multifunctional and multi-purpose benefit in varying backgrounds. Polygon value expectation is referenced exhaustively in this video. Polygon network was rejuvenated by CEO Jayant Kanani Sandeep Nailwal and Anurag Arjun in October 2017 after Vitalik Buterin and Joseph Poon delivered a white paper on the plasma structure. Reconciliation with Polygon assists these trades with running on steroids, making them dependable and secure. No big surprise, the Polygon SDK decentralized trade drive is without a doubt possible sooner rather than later cost of computerized resources. In addition, it builds up gaming organizations, consequently accelerating their exhibition and handling exchanges. Since every one of the cycles in the gaming scene occur over blockchain, they become more dependent on Polygon network. Individual information security is another responsibility zone of Polygon network as it is a blockchain versatility stage and an adjusted variant of Plasma. Specialized analysis of Polygon, Matic. The brain science of clients assumes a significant part in the crypto market opinion. Aside from it, numerous different factors like the basics of the token, value history, improvement, and acknowledgement of the symbolic assume a significant part as well. No financial backers should depend just on crypto forecast to go with their speculation choice. Polygon's local token Matic has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers and dealers. This suggests further reception of Polygon by dealers and financial backers. The downswing that played for the token in 2019 vanished in the background of its mechanical arrangements. They were in no way, shape or form a worldview. However, it tends to be said the token was being followed for development. In any case, 2022 has not been a decent one for the Matic token. The coin cost was $2.58 first and foremost, however has now reached $0.6142. A habitually and distinctly noticed characteristic of Polygon is that it has shown the most sporadic and fluctuating way of behaving, particularly this year. The pattern line demonstrates that the cost has been decreased by over 75%. The 57 cents is the quick help level from where the Matic cost has skipped as of late. The ongoing cost is much beneath the 50 and 200 ml levels, demonstrating that the coin doesn't have a lot of solidarity to start an upswing temporarily. In any case, the MACD line is showing marginally bullish force as it exchanges over the signal line. Simultaneously, the RSI is exchanging at 37, in the impartial zone. To finish up the specialized examination and characterize our momentary Polygon cost expectations, we unequivocally accept that it isn't the most ideal opportunity to put resources into the coin. In view of our Polygon price prediction, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Matic coin cost for 2027 may be around $2.304. According to the 5-year Matic estimate, the income is supposed to be around plus 256.66%. According to the specialized investigation, the normal greatest cost of Matic toward the finish of 2022 might be around $1.188. Matic's cost target is set to bounce back by July, which would fundamentally mirror a decent pinnacle. The base cost of $0.6483 before the year's over 2023 makes certain to scale, according to our Polygon cost forecasts. According to the Polygon cost expectation information examination, the cost of Matic is supposed to cross the degree of 70 cents. Toward the finish of 2022, Polygon is supposed to arrive at the very least costs of 80 cents. Moreover, the Matic cost can get a most extreme degree of 90 cents. As a non-mineable token, Matic's ongoing cost remains at $0.6461 with a crypto market capitalization of $5,140,492,951, setting it in the place of 17 in the worldwide digital currency rankings. There are 7.96B Matic tokens accessible in supply right now. The new all-time exorbitant cost of Polygon is $2.92, and the exchanging volume for 24 hours is $370,270,602.19. The Polygon cost has denoted the most reduced value level of 59 cents and greatest cost degree of 64 cents throughout the course of recent hours. The variables like all-time high, another untouched high, and Polygon cost forecasts ceaselessly continue to change, and it is on the indicator's judgment concerning where the cost will reach. Starting from the start of 2022, the Matic cost confronted critical adjustment. Still, Polygon crypto held areas of strength for its of $1.27 until May, when the whole crypto market declined. It holds colossal potential according to the Matic cost expectations, yet huge achievements are yet to be accomplished. There will be different cost targets referenced alongside its cost activity. Polygon crypto price prediction September 2022. For September, it is normal that the coin might exchange around similar levels as August. The base, normal, and greatest costs are expected to be 73 cents, 75 cents, and 80 cents, separately. Polygon crypto prediction October 2022. For the long stretch of October, the typical exchanging cost of Polygon can be around 75 cents, while the greatest and least costs can be around 77 cents and 73 cents, separately. Matic network price prediction November 2022. For the period of November 2022, the normal cost of Matic is supposed to be around 75 cents, while the base and greatest costs are supposed to be 65 cents and 80 cents, separately. Matic coin price prediction of December 2022. Toward the finish of 2022, the most extreme value level of Polygon may be around 87 cents, and the base cost will be around 70 cents, while the typical cost is supposed to be around 78 cents. Matic price prediction 2023. As per Matic coin cost expectation 2023, the cost of Polygon might have its portion of dim days. The worth ought to cruise tranquilly at $1 or a max do homage 80 cents, not diving however plain predictably during the principal half of 2023. From that point forward, our Polygon crypto cost expectation 2023 demonstrates that it wouldn't be a misrepresentation to track down the worth at $1.03. Matic's future presentation has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally encouraging way. The token might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New partnerships would carry Matic to the spotlight, making it the middle stage as a wise venture choice and a socially regarded cryptographic money. Simultaneously, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme